Here I have HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then of course switch the more modes, select slow-mo, and here you can change its speed. You can set 4x speed or 8x speed by tapping on this icon right up, right above the shutter button. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.